So I'm working here on a 1999 BMW 528i. It's the E39. I did the vanos, the vanos seal replacement on this engine. It was running kind of rough when it would first start, and changing the vanos seals definitely cured it. It's running great now. But I did have one issue after I changed the seals. When I put the new seals in, buttoned it all up, the car wouldn't start. And at first I was thinking, well, maybe I forgot to plug something in. So I rechecked everything. Everything was plugged in. There weren't really that many things unplugged. And then I looked at but it just wouldn't start. It would act like it wanted to start, but it never wouldn't. So I pulled the spark plugs and looked at those, and the spark plugs were really fouled. All 6 were fouled up. So I put in a new set of spark plugs, and it did the same thing. It just wouldn't start. And so I decided to check the spark. I pulled one of the coils out and plugged the spark plug in it and turned the engine over, and I could see it had a very strong spark. And then I also pulled this cover off here and checked the fuel pressure here. Had plenty of fuel pressure, a lot of flow coming out. And then I decided to I put in a new set of spark plugs. They didn't start. So I pulled the spark plugs out, and I noticed they looked wet. And so I dried those spark plugs off and decided to put some oil down in each cylinder. So I had a syringe like this. I put almost a half an ounce of oil in each cylinder, maybe a little less. And I used this long silicone tube here. I put it down into the spark plug hole and tried to get it over to the side where the oil would get onto the rings rather than just the top of the piston. So I did that on all 6 pistons. And then I went and, before I put the spark plugs back in, I just turned the engine over a few times, and just to kind of get the oil moved around. And then I put the new spark plugs in it, buttoned it all up, and it fired right up, and it's been running fine ever since. And so that's just something you might want to consider if you do the vanos and your car doesn't start after that. Check your spark plugs, maybe put some new ones in there. The spark plugs that I pulled out from the original plugs that were in there were really, really fouled. And I think it might have been because the car was running poorly with the vanos seals the way they were. And I think it fouled those spark plugs. And then, and I think that caused the car not to run, but it was still injecting fuel. And I think that fuel washed away the oil along the cylinder wall and caused it to lose compression to the point it wouldn't start. And so you might want to consider that if that happens to you. Don't panic, check everything. Try putting some oil in each cylinder and make sure you got a fresh set of plugs. And hopefully that will be the issue that you resolved as well.